guys, new week, new vlog. It is 8 o'clock, 8:03. I just did a Mad Fit workout. Now I'm gonna make a coffee and a water and get ready for work. Well, I'm already logged into work. So I'm actually gonna sit down and start working. My mugs that I love and the Starbucks coffee. I told my boyfriend to get the one creamer that I like, but he picked this up instead. This was at Aldi's and it's like in the same bottle, so you assumed it was the same. Not the same, but still tastes pretty good. So we're just gonna finish that bottle up and then I'm gonna get the actual creamer. I feel like with this creamer I have to use a lot. Kind of has like a little aftertaste. Usually I like my coffee darker than this, but with that creamer, I feel like I have to use a lot for it to taste good. This is a cup I want to use, so I need to wash it out. Just gonna cut up some lemon. But I'm gonna head to my desk and I'll talk to you guys. So I just have to work the one job today. Usually I have to work both jobs on Monday, but I was supposed to be in Houston this weekend. So I had Monday requested off, so they just kept me off and I'm working Wednesday. My update for this morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and really get into work. And I will talk to you guys a little bit later today. So I cut my finger and honestly, I feel like I was probably being a little bit dramatic. It was bleeding a lot though. Like it was bleeding for like over 30-40 minutes before I came here. They just glued it shut. Now I have to get a tetanus shot. This glue hurts like a bit. But my hair looks crazy. I need my hair done. But yeah, so I'm here. I'm waiting for them to come back, give me a tetanus shot, wrap my finger up, and then head back home to go back to work. Happy Thursday. Hello guys, so it is Friday and I am going to Lake Geneva for the weekend. Geneva on the lake, for my cousin's bachelorette. So I need to pack my bag. I'm literally like last minute everything. I leave at like around 4. And I'm working, literally working up until the second I leave. And it's 12 o'clock. It's my lunch break, and I'm gonna use that time to pack. My cousin wants to do like an orange theme one of the days. So I went and bought this bodysuit yesterday from Rue 21, because I had ordered an orange dress, but it just did not look good. So we're just gonna go with what I have. But yeah, so I'm gonna pack really quick. Okay guys, so I semi-packed my bag. Only thing I need to pack now is my toiletries. However, I did go and do some press on nails, which I filmed for you guys. My nail tech is seriously always booked, and my schedule just never aligns to where I can get in to see him. So yeah, so I decided to do press on nails for this weekend. It was pretty easy. I picked these up at Target. These are the ones that I got. I just like that they were simple and nude, and I wanted a fringe tip, but I didn't want it to be clear in case like the glue just didn't look right. So I got these, which were kind of nude, and I really like them. They're really cute. So let's see if they last all weekend. I did put the glue in my purse to carry with me, but so far so good. Now it's 1 o'clock. I'm working till 3. Excuse me. So I'm just gonna try and get as much done in the work day, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna pack my toiletries and then just wait for my cousin to come. and then I head to Geneva for the weekend. I'm really excited just to have like some time to like relax and wind down and like be by the water. Should be fun. We're going wine tasting on Saturday or Sunday, one of the days. So I'm really excited for that. But yeah, that's it. So again, I'm gonna work till 3, then I'll pack my toiletries, and then be on my way. I'm gonna try and vlog as much as possible this weekend. So stick around so you guys can see that. So this is the cottage. We've decorated. Pretty. That's Brittany. Hi. This is the room I'll be in with Yana. We got the cute little bunk beds. Now we just gotta wait. Guess we can call Chanel now. Ooh, I like your hair. Yeah, I would feel better about walking it during the day.
Yeah. I guess, tomorrow.
You say?
You can't fix it. You just whipped it like right back in the same place. You just need to
you need to like
bring your wheel over. Right.
come back a little bit more, but like turn your wheel more. No, the other way. Okay. Now pull forward.
Oh, wait a minute.
Just pull forward now.
Just a little bit.
Turn your wheels back. Now pull forward. Stop. There you go. It's not straight, but
I don't know why this is.
It's not straight, but it'll do.
Oh, she just recorded that whole.
I didn't record you parking. It's just you started talking about it, so now all of that is on there, though. I keep feeling like my nail's gonna fall off.
No. Okay, so this is Joe's place.
Okay, happy Saturday? Yes, happy Saturday. We are at brunch now. We're at Mary's Kitchen, home cooking. Just what it looks like. It's like a cute little home. That's a restaurant. We didn't do anything this morning. It took forever to get up and get dressed, but here we are. These are new lashes that I'm wearing. There's a new style I'm thinking about bringing to the website. Let me know if you guys like these. But yeah, so question, do you have like turkey bacon, turkey sausage? No? Okay. 2 eggs over there, Bachelorette over there. We don't have any sashes because Amazon played me.
And white bread. And then I also have the 2 cinnamon rolls.
Does anyone know why there's rice in the salt? I'm very intrigued by this, but I don't know why. hot AF. We went to the beach and now I'm like sweaty. Surprise! I feel like my lashes are coming off. But we're here, we're gonna have a drink and then we're gonna go to dinner. Ooh, does this have YouTube? There's only 1 star of the show and you will see who it is. Come on. Has to download. Ooh. Shots of the night. Is it recording right now? Yes. Oh. Cheers. Ugh.
What the fuck?
That's fine. Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
Actually, that was the easiest one out of the 4 we've had.
Hell no.
Hell no. Okay, are we good?
Y'all see the little fruity drinks I used to drink straight Patron.
Literally,
Okay,
it has
wait.
a man of death on the bottom.
So earlier today when that
Ooh.
What? Oh.
You ain't got that dope. But, you know, that song had a lot of hype, but did not really deliver the way that I thought it was going to. So we're sitting outside of Sandy Chanty seafood restaurant. The first place we tried to go to didn't have enough cooks, so they say. So this place said they could take us, just they're waiting for a party to finish up and then they're gonna seat us. So we shall see if that actually happens. This has been an interesting place to say the least. I definitely will tell you guys about it more once I get home, but yeah. So we're ordering orange, some type of orange. I'll probably show you more once we get back to the house. But yeah, I'm starving. I'm ready to eat. I have literally no service. Like my phone says no service, which I think that's very unsafe to be somewhere with no service. But there's like no cell phone bars out here, so that will add to what I will tell you guys later. But yeah, we're just waiting to eat, and hopefully it won't be that long. Right now it's 8:22, so we'll see when we get set. So we're inside the restaurant. I cannot wait to do something new to my hair. I wonder if I should. I want braids again, but I also want something different. Like, I don't know.
The different color or different style?
Like a different style.
I was really cute, like.
Yeah. Okay, so this is actually an original, like, shooting game. There's a rifle up there. They said that they actually used like real bullets, but it had like a plaster in it so that it would just go through and drop instead of ricocheting, and it still works. And it worked up, and they used it up until, yes, I'm ready. I'll tell you guys in a second. Like, that is so cool. And they used to sit here and actually shoot real guns here. See? That is so amazing. And they literally found this behind a wall because the owner was looking for storage, and they found this thing. They said this is the last of its kind with all the original pieces. So if you're ever in Geneva on the lake, you guys have to come here. It's like a piece of history.
So, did you want a Riesling then?
Huh?
There's no mistake.
So amazing. And it's behind the bar.
I guess. I never had Riesling.
I'm obsessed. I'll have the link, like the name of the restaurant, in the description box.
I use okay.
So
I got an espresso martini. It's really good. You guys definitely should try it.
There's a guy up there performing.
I know you know what's going on. And I know we lost 12 more meetings.
You said I look like somebody's aunt.
The bougie auntie's actually right here.
Right.
I can't see the guy. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, you the oldest.
Yeah. I mean, I still could be the bougie auntie if I don't have children. This espresso martini just tastes like iced coffee. Like, if I ever have to go back to the office, this is what's gonna be in my cup every day. Yeah, chalk that up.
Still got groceries.
I don't think so.
Because the horizons, here's what tipped me off. I'm gonna be straight up. Top of this song. This is a song.